Minister for Waste Management and Ports Michael Lobo said that he will request Chief Minister Pramod Sawant to bring down the hike in the duties on Feni, Urrak and Port wine, the traditional Goan drinks. Sawant proposed 20% to 50% for all categories of liquor and further imposed tax on the MRP of local brew Feni from April 1st. The Goa Liquor Traders Association feared that the increased price of liquor would lead to a decrease in sales. Michael said that even with the hike, liquor will still be cheaper in Goa by 35 to 40%. He wants cut in duties only on traditional drinks, Michael stated. Michael blamed the borrowings on mining and old loans and said we have to start legal mining at the earliest. He also said BJP may support some independence in South Goa in ZP elections.
2 days, 3 days, some come for a week. The excise duty which is increased on liquor will not affect it because still Delhi, Mumbai and Karnataka and other states of India will still have 40% more price. 30% more price over there, whereas the prices of liquor in Goa is not so much. Even after the increase, still 35% to 40% more will be in states of Delhi and Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. I have put up a very special point for our Goan weddings, for our Goan cultural functions, our social functions in Goa, where wine, the धाकटे कोपिसावानी wine दिता पळय तेजेर उलयला की your wine the price increase जावंक जायना because it is used traditionally for weddings and other occasions. Secondly, GI जे जाल्ले आहा कॅजू फेणी आनी GI मेळपाचो आहा ती कोकोनट फेणी. ट्रेडिशनल आमचे उर्राक हेचेर प्राइस इन्क्रीज जावपाक जायना. This price has to remain the same. Increase in price for this will affect the Goans at large, and Goans will not like it. And our request to CM will be to keep the price of Kaju Feni. You want to increase it 2 rupees, increase on a bottle, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, no problem. But wine increase karuna, wine is very cheap price, which should be affordable to the poorest, and the poor is who is getting married. Because that time तांकां 2 काशी हाडच्यो पडटा 300 लोकांक ते कालसिनी घालून दिवपाक. So गरिबांतलो गरीब should afford that wine. This will be my request to the Honorable Chief Minister.
Yesterday, staring into a debt trap.
See, we have been borrowing from the time of mining ban or mining stay, which was passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. And from 2012-13 onwards, we are going on borrowing the money. And the old loans which were taken around 10 years back have started for repayment now. So those NABARD loans or bonds or whatever we have borrowed money on, that burden has started today. So these are all infrastructure loans which were borrowed earlier. That and again further borrowing is a matter of concern. That is why Honorable Chief Minister, our MLAs across party lines also are putting a lot of pressure also on the CM. They are also putting pressure on government, and we are putting on central government that mining has to start. Legal mining has to start. Legal mining will fetch us revenue in terms of whatever ore which is already extracted and kept. So tejer export duty or teje amso revenue of the state, whatever will be our share, if at all the directions of the Supreme Court, whatever will come, Supreme Court tells us to do whatever modifications in law, whatever they give us direction, we will do as per that. But mining has to start slowly. It cannot start in one go everything, let it start slowly. Central government also will be kind enough to give us the EC, environmental clearance, for further extraction. Whatever is extracted, Supreme Court will allow us to take. But further extraction of iron ore, that is mining, in a legal way should start, and that will help us. And also the industry, that is tourism, a lot of revenue is coming from this industry right now, but more revenue needs to come from this industry. Whatever the measures needs to be taken for this, that has to be taken by the government, by the Department of Tourism, by the Chief Minister. He has to intervene and see that that revenue comes to the state. 144 is being done by North and South Goa collector, and it is not going to affect in any which way tourism of the state. The message is gone very clear across Goa, very clear on the internet, and there is no problem. Till today there is no problem.